what's up guys, it's Sai Vlogs and actually we are going to a beach called Cavayan Chocosov. It's nearby actually, nearby my home. Usually we go there for like chilling or something. We usually go there always. It's really like a good beach where people, why it's called Chocosov, because like before people used to go like surfing or something, and they do surfing like that. Yeah, it's very famous beach here in this city, Vigan city. Actually, it was raining a bit a while ago. It was not. It's okay. Heavy rain. It's not heavy rain.
There was a place on the right side. They used to do party there, but it's demolished already.
Once again, guys, I really thanks for every support you are giving to me, like likes or sharing the videos, liking the videos, subscribing, and everything. I appreciate it very much. I don't know what to say. I really overwhelmed with your love and support. Really. Oh shit. Yes. Okay. Slow down. Take it outside. Actually, we have a pillion. No. We have a companion actually who's following us. I don't know where he's. Okay, he's back on us. தமிழ் ஆடியன்ஸ்க்கெல்லாம் நான் ஃபஸ்ட்டு சொல்லிக்கிறேன். தமிழ் ஆடியன்ஸ்க்கெலாம் வந்து வெரி ஹியூஜ் வணக்கம். தமிழில் வந்து நீங்கள் இப்போ பார்க்குறீங்கன்னா அது வந்து இந்த வீடியோ, இந்த பிட்டு வந்து உங்களுக்கு தான். எப்படி இருக்கீங்க? எல்லாம் நல்லா பண்ணுறீங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். இந்த அளவுக்கு இந்த கொரோனா க்ரைசிஸில் கூட எல்லாம் ஓகேவா இருக்குன்னு நான் நினைக்கிறேன். எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு கண்டிப்பாக கைஸ். ஆக்சுவலாக வந்து if it comes to India, we must appreciate actually, even though it's a world's largest country, populated country, they are doing a pretty much good job, I should say. Like I don't want to compare India or Philippines like that. I will tell you the strategy of how they control here. Whenever there is a case, like one case is there in Philippines, not only like in my city, like if there is, we call it like in city, like they will call like province or Balangay, like that. They just give a different name. If there is one case already, they will not like isolate at the moment itself. What they will do is they will just isolate the whole city itself. There any connection. What happens automatically? Yeah, bro. Yeah. What happens automatically is like literally the cases won't be transmitted from one province to other province. That's what happens. Hospitals and beds are not that much. I heard the news is like hospital beds, and it's not enough for present cases. So hopefully, I think they will be increasing the beds and hospital. Doctors, they will be doing their best jobs. We doctors, I hope they do. They are doing already the very good job that no one can imagine in any country. I should really appreciate. First of all, a very big thanks to Indian doctors. I should give a special thanks to Indian doctors who are helping, even though doing their best job as they can, even though in this crisis. Not taking into account of their family, their happiness, their enjoyment or something. They don't mind at all. They just work for the patients. They just do their responsibility very much. I should appreciate really. We are nearby beach already. It's actually a little bit interior to my place, but it's really, I will show you the view, bro. See that? Oh my god, Every time I come here, like literally, it feels new. East Coastal Road, it's just as a beach here.
One hour later.
Yo, you know that you see there full view is like literally up to here. There is full of rain. I think it's gonna rain here soon also. I don't know if you can hear me clearly because it's very windy. You can't imagine how windy it is. It's literally pushing me away. See that straight away capture. See the waves, oh my god, it's like, oh my god, I really like this view. A while ago, like half an hour ago, it was like not too much wavy. It was not wavy at all. Now see that. Yeah. Lightning, I captured the lightning. My god. I think it's gonna be a treat for your eyes, guys, especially for the one who subscribed for our channel. It's a treat for your it's a treat for your eyes, really. Okay guys, I'm gonna continue this video while riding and we are going home. Okay guys, actually we are going home. It's gonna rain. Evening exercise, Zumba dance, guys. I wish I also can join them. They are doing good. Actually, the climate is suitable for going out, like traveling and stuff. But this climate is also suitable for riding. But when it rains, that time is gonna difficulty starts. Like if it rains, obviously the road will be full of water and there will be no grip at all on the tires. And it's going to be a little bit difficult for driving. But when you are going, even if it is raining, you can drive. You must know some things like like little things, like you must know how to the technique actually. It's very scary. Once I was like, I will tell you some experience of mine. Once I was like driving and literally I stuck up in rain. I was like, I don't know what to do and I want to go to home badly. Actually I was outside and suddenly rain came and I need to go for rush to go to home. When I was trying to go home, like the rain was, I couldn't even see anything, and even I flashed the light, I couldn't see anything, and even the brake was not working that much. that though it was really adventurous and challenging, really challenging. Okay guys, if you like this video so much, you have watched till the end, I really appreciate it. Liked the video, subscribe first. If you have subscribed already, no need. And comment, share guys. Thank you very much for watching again. Once again, I'm gonna end this vlog.